NLN NEX practice test. Question 1. Which second quantity matches a 2 to 7 ratio when the first quantity is 6 in this verbal practice item? Option A, 6. Option B, 27. Option C, 21. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 6, so the scale factor is 3. Multiplying the second part, 7 times 3, gives 21. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a math practice item, which word is closest in meaning to sufficient in a patient education passage? Option A, recent. Option B, inadequate. Option C, visible. Option D, enough. The correct answer is option. Sufficient means enough, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Recent means new, not enough. Inadequate means not enough, and visible means seen, not enough. Question 3. After checking the choices in a science practice item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, exocytosis. Option B, transcription. Option C, osmosis. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Exocytosis moves materials out of a cell. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, and mitosis is cell division. Question 4. If a biology review stem gives one clear clue, which inference is best supported by the passage? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A, distractions are always helpful. Option B, quiet rooms increase noise. Option C, students no longer needed to study. Option D, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Distractions are always helpful, is not supported by the passage. Quiet rooms increase noise, is not supported by the passage. And students no longer needed to study, is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a chemistry basics question, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A conclusion says a new study method caused higher scores, but the groups were not randomly assigned. Option A. The conclusion may be too strong because another factor could explain the scores. Option B. Higher scores prove every student studied more. Option C. The conclusion should ignore group differences. Option D. A random assignment is never useful. The correct answer is option. Without random assignment, group differences may affect the result. Higher scores prove every student studied more, does not follow from the situation. The conclusion should ignore group differences, does not follow from the situation, and random assignment is never useful, does not follow from the situation. Question 6. Given the information in a critical thinking item, which weight in pounds is closest to 75 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A, 165 pounds. Option B, 1,650 pounds. Option C, 77.2 pounds. Option D, 34.09 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 75 times 2.2 equals 165 pounds. The other choices divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 7. Suppose a similar comprehension drill item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to abundant in a science paragraph? Option A, scarce. Option B, plentiful. Option C, fragile. Option D, silent. The correct answer is option. Abundant means plentiful, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Scarce means limited, not plentiful. Fragile means easily broken, not plentiful, and silent relates to sound, not amount. Question 8. While working through a timed reading skill set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, alveoli. Option B, villi. Option C, nephrons. Option D, bronchi. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, nephrons filter blood in kidneys, and bronchi carry air toward the lungs. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a vocabulary skill item, which inference is best supported by the passage? A report says infection rates fell after staff completed a hand hygiene refresher. Option A. Training may have improved compliance with hygiene practices. Option B. Training increased infection rates. Option C. Hand hygiene cannot affect infection. Option D. The refresher removed all risk permanently. The correct answer is option. The sequence suggests training supported better hygiene behavior. Training increased infection rates, is not supported by the passage. Hand hygiene cannot affect infection, is not supported by the passage. And the refresher removed all risk permanently, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this grammar skill idea on a NEX review. Which increase is shown from Monday 13 to Wednesday 23 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 7. Option B, 23. Option C, 36. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2313 equals 10. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 11. One algebra skill practice problem tests this skill. Which number is 15% of 80? Option A, 12. Option B, 120. Option C, 95. Option D, 65. The correct answer is option. 15% means 15/100, so 80 times 15/100 equals 12. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a data interpretation item. Which word is closest in meaning to anticipate in a science paragraph? Option A, expect. Option B, erase. Option C, repair. Option D, delay. The correct answer is option. Anticipate means expect, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Erase means remove, not expect. Repair means fix, not expect, and delay means postpone, not expect. Question 13. For this reasoning drill nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, platelet. Option B, antibody. Option C, a hormone. Option D, enzyme. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, antibody targets antigens, and enzyme speeds chemical reactions. Question 14. In a short timed practice STEM, which inference is best supported by the passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, patients cannot benefit from reminders. Option B, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option C, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option D, reminders caused more missed visits. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Patients cannot benefit from reminders, is not supported by the passage. Appointments no longer need scheduling, is not supported by the passage. And reminders caused more missed visits, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a score report item, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, evaporation. Option B, radiation. Option C, conduction. Option D, convection. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Evaporation is liquid changing to gas, radiation transfers energy by waves, and convection moves heat through fluid circulation. Question 16. Using the facts in a study plan question, which probability describes drawing a red card from a set with 3 red and 7 blue cards? Option A, 10/3. Option B, 7/10. Option C, 3/10. Option D, 3/7. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so the result is 3/10, simplified to 3/10. The other choices use blue cards, compare red to blue only, or invert the fraction. Question 17. Based on the clue in a review checklist item, which word is closest in meaning to cautious in a science paragraph? Option A, frozen. Option B, careful. Option C, reckless. Option D, cheerful. The correct answer is option. Cautious means careful, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Frozen means very cold, not careful. Reckless means careless, not careful. And cheerful means happy, not careful. Question 18. Consider this high-yield common mistake concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, translation. Option B, meiosis. Option C, diffusion. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Translation builds proteins. Diffusion moves particles down a gradient. And mitosis produces identical body cells. Question 19. Near the end of a calculator-free review session, which inference is best supported by the passage? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A, comfort never changes with practice. Option B, the exam has no time pressure. Option C, timed sets remove all content gaps. Option D, timed practice can build exam familiarity. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. Comfort never changes with practice is not supported by the passage. The exam has no time pressure is not supported by the passage, and timed sets remove all content gaps is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar patient chart nursing entrance questions, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A test item asks for the best answer, and two choices are true but only one directly answers the STEM. Option A. The longest answer is automatically best. Option B. The first familiar term should be chosen. Option C. The choice that directly answers the STEM should be selected. Option D. Any true statement is always best. The correct answer is option. Entrance exam items often include true distractors that do not answer the specific question. The longest answer is automatically best, does not follow from the situation. The first familiar term should be chosen, does not follow from the situation. And any true statement is always best, does not follow from the situation. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the lab result clue, which milliliter amount equals 0.25 L? Option A, 250 ml. Option B, 2,500 ml. Option C, 25 ml. Option D, 2.5 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 ml, so 0.25 times 1000 equals 250 ml. The other choices use 10, 100, or 10,000 as the conversion factor, which shifts the decimal to the wrong place. Question 22. From the information in a health literacy item, which word is closest in meaning to consistent in a science paragraph? Option A, fragile. Option B, distant. Option C, changing. Option D, steady. The correct answer is option. Consistent means steady, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Fragile means easily broken, not steady. Distant means far away, not steady. And changing means varying, not steady. Question 23. At a testing desk during a safety protocol review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, basic. Option B, neutral. Option C, acidic. Option D, hypotonic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, acidic describes pH below 7, and hypotonic describes lower solute concentration. Question 24. Inside a concept map science or skills item, which answer best explains the author's point? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, headings reduce the value of information. Option B, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option C, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option D, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage, and pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a hydration log stem, which increase is shown from Monday 12 to Wednesday 20 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 20. Option B, 5. Option C, 32. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2012 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference.